To turn on or off a sound effect when exiting target area where voiceover is on in iPhone 14 Pro, go to setting, scroll down the screen, and then tap accessibility, tap voiceover, and then tap audio, tap sound and haptics. Next, scroll down the screen, and then under voiceover feedback section, tap exit the target area, and then tap the on offset next to sound to enable or disable this option. When the switch turns green, it means that this option is on and your phone will play a sound effect when exiting target area while voiceover is on. If needed, you can tap preview to listen how the sound will look like when it's enabled. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.